Hi, I'm Dana Perdigon. I'm a registered nurse here in Winter Garden. I'm also the owner and instructor of HeartCore Medical Training. So we're a local American Heart Association training site, and we train basic life support CPR certifications for the community members, the medical professionals in this area, and we teach additional certifications as well. You'll find an AED shock sign electricity button, and you'll know that facility has an AED there. So knowing where it is important. Again, we want to use it as soon as it arrives. So we call 911, go get me an AED when someone's not breathing and has no pulse. So to recap, for an AED, automatic external defibrillator, it could be used by anybody. Anybody doesn't have to be trained to be able to perform and operate it. And the steps to remember is when it arrives to the scene of the unresponsive victim, we want to use it immediately. So we turn on the AED. Don't be scared. A lot of people might not be sure of what it's going to do or get hurt. It will definitely operate in a way that you just turn it on, you follow the prompts. When it tells you, when the AED says clear the victim, we're not touching the victim because the pads are on the bare chest and it's analyzing the heart rhythm. If it's shockable, it'll tell you. It's press shock now, it'll light up red, you press shock, but be sure to resume CPR immediately after, doing your right rate at 100 to 120, going down deep enough on the chest. This doesn't replace CPR. It's another tool to step in and help when advanced life support's not available yet. And what it does is just help eliminate the person's lethal heart rhythm. If it's shockable, that's the goal, to help their survival, the victim's survival, is to use that. You don't have to do anything else with it. Just follow the prompts once you turn it on. So thank you for learning with us today. We appreciate it. I'm, again, Dana Perdigon from HeartCore Medical Training, a nurse and a training site for American Heart Association. For more information, please check out our website or visit elearning.heart.org for more information.